Alright, get back here. Go take a picture. Jump. Right here. Right there. Well, I see Bug right now. I see both of them. Dude, they're going. Ready to go? Oh, I know. That's why I was like, dude, you're gonna crash your kids in the same bed. Fucking Abby.